Buying cryptocurrency starts with finding the best crypto exchange for you and your specific needs. I'm Jen, and I'm here today with CryptoVantage to help explain what an exchange is, why you need one, and the benefits of using one. I'll share our list of best crypto exchanges in 2021 with you at the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to learn more about crypto. And if you have any more crypto curious questions, leave them below or head on over to CryptoVantage.com for more information. So first, what's an exchange? Well, most people use crypto exchanges for three distinct reasons: to buy cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or ETH, to sell cryptocurrency for fiat currency like the US dollar, or to trade one cryptocurrency for a different one. Cryptocurrency exchanges are similar to the ones available for traditional fiat currencies. You simply add funds to your exchange account and then you can swap that currency for a different one. Many people make their first deposits on crypto exchanges with fiat currency and then trade it for crypto like Bitcoin or ETH. Once you've acquired crypto, you can also trade it for a different cryptocurrency. There are literally thousands of different trading pairs available on cryptocurrency exchanges around the world. If you decide to leave your digital currency on the trading platform, then you're free to engage in crypto trading. Exchanges are the easiest way to trade fiat currencies for crypto or to simply purchase cryptocurrency from the comfort of your home. With an exchange, you don't have to meet up with someone in person to buy crypto, and the fees are typically much lower than with Bitcoin ATMs. There are a few interesting reasons why you might choose to store assets on an exchange instead of transferring them to a wallet. The first is staking. Many exchanges offer both hard and soft staking options through their exchanges. Hard staking means you have no access to your funds for the staking period, but earn interest on that amount, while soft staking means you have the flexibility to take your assets when you need them, and interest is often added daily. While storing your assets on the exchange does come with the risk of exposing them, having them readily accessible to be traded for other cryptocurrencies or exchanged for fiat currency is very convenient. If you're likely to trade an asset, it makes more sense to leave it on the exchange. This enables you to save on fees and increase your total income. Now that you have an understanding of what an exchange is, let's cover the best crypto exchanges in 2021. Coinbase tops the list with over 40 cryptocurrencies in more than 100 countries. You're able to fund Coinbase with debit and credit, PayPal, ACH, and bank transfer. Coinbase also has low service fees, a diverse and updated choice of coins, as well as is user-friendly with great customer service. Not to mention, they have a 5-star rating. Next up is Kraken, which offers 20+ cryptocurrencies in over 150 countries. Kraken supports many different funding options like wire transfer and ACH. Kraken accepts users from across the globe and has a high trading volume. Kraken is known as being a trustworthy exchange and also has a 5-star rating. Next is Binance. Binance offers an easy sign-up process, has free deposits, and the lowest transaction fees out of any of the major exchanges. They have more than 175 digital assets in more than 100 countries, and funding is super easy with debit and credit, bank, wire transfer, and ACH. Their rating is 4.5. Now, if I had more time, I'd love to talk about Changeli, KuCoin, and CoinMama. So make sure you visit CryptoVantage.com or click the link down below for our full list of over a dozen of the best cryptocurrency exchanges in 2021. Whether you're an experienced trader or looking to buy crypto for the first time, we're sure you'll find a cryptocurrency exchange that supports all of your digital asset needs. Make sure to leave us your crypto curious questions in the comments section below and let us know which exchange is your favorite and why. Visit CryptoVantage.com for more information on cryptocurrency. Give today's video a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.